Welcome back. Now, one of the things that you'll want to consider before you finish publishing your course is that typically when you start a course and you don't publish it right away, you'll get an email from the community manager at Skillshare. They will be encouraging you to become part of the next Teach Challenge. And when you click this link that says Teach Challenge, you'll be taken to an opportunity to join a course at the beginning of the month where Skillshare representatives will be going over some of the basics of Skillshare and how you can be successful. When you get to the page, you'll notice that there are some contest requirements, and when you finish these two courses, you'll be eligible for certain bonuses that Skillshare makes available, again, to incentivize you to know and understand the rules. And all you'll need to do is to click this Join button, and you will then be part of the course. And your eligibility will be determined by completing your class project in the first 5 days of the month, and then completing your course by the end of the month. And once you are part of the course, you can then begin having discussions with some of the other students in that course. If you go to the project section, you'll then be able to start a project, which again is part of your class requirement. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.